Guys, I was working on this little like box thingy and like I was making a window, right? And I was like, wow, I'm good. Look at this window. Like you can see like a little bit of like the lighting is like Roblox lighting has gotten really good. Like you can see like shadows in the corners. Like that's crazy. But what if I told you guys that Roblox lighting actually didn't get good and I actually put those shadows there like a Neanderthal? But then this had me thinking, I'm like, well, if I can apply shadows to this, what if I applied it to a cube on all sides? And then I realized the magic that is Roblox decals. So if you guys are ready to learn something kind of useless that could be useful maybe, then you're in the right place because this is so cool. Oh man, cool. It's glowing. And this is like glowing but on steroids. Like this is really cool. And it's just decals. Like it's just a part covered in decals. So how exactly did I make this decal? Well, I'm about to expose myself in front of you guys. I'm actually like a fraud. I don't use Photoshop for any of my stuff. I actually use Adobe Premiere Pro. So I went here, I made a new project. Let's not save this one. And I just did 1000 by 1000. Now I know like this is not a tutorial for Adobe Premiere Pro. But man, I'm so bad at Photoshop, so I make all my thumbnails in video editing software. Like that's crazy, right? So what I did is I just made the screen black. Then I added this thing called a mask to the middle. So I cut out a black cube inside the black cube. I inverted it. And then I added something called feather, which does this. And now I have this texture. Then I applied that texture to the cube. It's as simple as that. Now, does it look good? No. Honestly, you could probably just find a better like wall dripping like yucky corrosion decal. Okay, this wall has like a bit of corrosion at the top. Because I just applied a little decal and I tweaked the transparency. Like by default, this didn't look decent at all. But you just turn that transparency down and now you have like a subtle little like bit of wear on the wall versus no wear on the wall. You can just apply decals to basically everything. And honestly, I definitely recommend it. I'm gonna drop this in the description though. You guys can have like this whatever it is. It's like a gradient. It's like, what's the name for it? Vignette. It's called a vignette. But basically, I'll put this in description so you guys don't have to make it or find it, you know, go through one of those free PNG sites that makes you watch 5 ads before you can download an image of a mouse cursor. You guys enjoyed today's tutorial. I'm glad. I know this wasn't the horror one, but I said screw it. I don't want to record that right now. So I'm going to record this one instead. But soon, cool things will be happening. I'll let you guys in on something I'm working on. I'm actually making a game about the Appalachian Mountains. I did not pronounce that right. Cannot for the life of me pronounce those mountains. But yeah, there's going to be all kinds of scary things in it. It'll be a cool game. You guys will like it. And I'll probably do some devlogs so you guys can watch me put the game together and be like, hey, your program is garbage, bro. Stop programming now. But yeah. That's all. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to brush your teeth, wash your hair, do your dishes, clean your bed sheets because it's disgusting if you don't. And if you can't do any of those things, then you're in the right place. I mean, it's Roblox. I mean, you guys probably use Discord too. So honestly, everybody belongs here. But yeah, you guys have a wonderful day, night, evening, whatever season it is, and just enjoy it. Yeah. Bye-bye. All right. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much. I have another channel. If you guys haven't and you're interested, please check out this channel. You won't be disappointed. The first video kind of buns, second video gold. Like, but both of them are decent. So, yeah. Thank you. Please check it out. I'll catch you guys on the flip side.